At the fresh fish auction in the Faroe Islands, we know how important it is to source fish from the best and cleanest areas. The best recommendation is therefore to source your fish from the clean waters around the Faroe Islands, and the best way to do this is by using our new fish auction system. In addition to the top quality fish caught by our local fleet, we assure you traceability service as we put all the information about the catch on the internet. The invoices are sent electronically, and so is the information about the boat, the catch, and the time of fishing. The auction is done electronically and gives full transparency of what is going on. When you buy from the auction, you are buying directly from the boats. This means that there is no third party involved. In regards to the environment, our government is careful to regulate in such a way to ensure that the catch level is sustainable at all times. The regulation is done by allocating the amount of days at sea, closed areas, and by regulating the fishing gear. This method ensures that no fish is discharged from the boats, and therefore everything is brought to good use. In addition, most of the fish sold on the auction is caught by hook. This means that it is eco-friendly towards the ocean floor, and the boats have comparatively low CO2 emission. Finally, as all the fresh fish from the Faroes is sailed to the mainland, our food miles are considerably lower in comparison to the fish flown in from other countries. This is how the auction works. We are using the electronic auctioning system, sea-auction, that is designed to be efficient and easy to use for everyone. With a single push of a button, buyers from all over the world can join the fresh fish auction in the Faroe Islands. It is no longer necessary to be local, and all the buyer needs is a good internet connection and a telephone. This auctioning system is fully transparent, which means that the buyers can see who they are competing against. The setup of the electronic system is made to reflect the traditional outcry auction, as it provides the same dynamic vibrancy and maintains the same speed. In short, the electronic auction is just as fast and easy as the traditional auction, including the same dynamic and feel. This is how the electronic system works. While the boats are still out at sea, they report the information on their catch to the auctioneer, also including landing location. Faroe Fish Market then informs the buyers of the following: estimated quantity and size of each type of fish, when, where and how the fish was caught, and how the fish is stored. The seller is able to request a minimum price for each type and size of the fish to be sold. The catch is advertised on Faroe Fish Market's website, where the buyers can plan ahead for what they want to buy for production or for export. Now let the auction begin. The auctioneer sets the starting price and the bidding intervals of the auction. A minimum price can be set by request of the supplier. The system starts with a high price and then goes downwards until a buyer presses the bidding button. Now the price stops for a few seconds, and if other buyers join the bidding, the price will go upwards until the highest bidder is found. The bidder will then tell the auctioneer via telephone when he wants to buy it. When this has been cleared, the next auction will be ready to continue in the same way. The system is easy to use, and buyers who are used to the traditional outcry system will feel right at home with this electronic system. After the auction, the buyers can get a detailed overview of what is bought, which boat it is from, and where the fish is landed. All the invoices from the fish market are sent via email as electronic documents that are easily imported into the buyer's production systems. As for the purchaser, it is not necessary to be present in person. All the buyer needs is a telephone and access to the internet. There are concise regulations concerning how a purchase is made and how any disputes over quality are handled. It is important that the buyer looks at the fish at the landing station before finally purchasing it. This means that when the buyer takes the fish from the landing station, the buyer has accepted the quality of the fish bought. No claims will be accepted after the fish has left the landing station. There are good transport connections from the Faroe Islands to Denmark and Scotland and to the rest of Europe. The transportation facilitates refrigerated units, which ensure that the quality is maintained until the fish arrives at the final destination. The only requirement for becoming a buyer at the fresh fish auction in the Faroe Islands is to register. To register, you have to provide a guarantee that you can pay for the fish you are buying. This can be done in the form of a bank guarantee, or you can pay cash into the bank account. We're here to serve you. If you have any queries in regards to selling or buying from the auction in the Faroe Islands, then please do not hesitate to contact us, as we will be pleased to help you in any way possible. Faroe Fish Market, www.fmf.fo